How's it going, everyone? Welcome again to my channel. My name is Alex, and today we're gonna go over an application from the App Store I would like to review today. It's called White Noise. And first of all, you can find this application on the App Store by simply typing in White Noise. So once we type in White Noise on the App Store, we should be able to locate it. Since I already downloaded, it will show as open, but there it is. Love the reviews, excellent. This is perfect for those that would like to go ahead and relax on soothing music, whether it's a rainforest background, beach noise, or cracking firewood, and basically to relax you, whether you're at work, studying, or so forth. Okay, very relaxing. I really enjoy it. I have tested it out. So let's go ahead and dig into the application. Let's go ahead and quickly tap on that. Okay, and so as we can see, you have a selection. Now again, this application is completely free. Okay, so let's go ahead and listen to some of those sounds. Start off with the jungle. So there you go. Those are some of those sounds. You can do a lot of things. You can go ahead and hit the menu bar. You can do a lot. You can do timer alarms. When you want it to start, when you want to stop. You have sleep clock, manage sounds. You can download the sounds. You also can create a sounds. You can create a playlist, mixes. You can definitely mix it up. So you can go ahead and do a variation of others. I of course like to stick with one sound, whether it's the waves and so forth. And then you have timers as well. So you can put it for 49 minutes. You can, after 8 hours, you can stop it, or you can use it as a sound alarm as well. So you can definitely customize the sounds as well. You can go ahead and let's see if I can get it here. You can also upgrade. Now you have different things. This is the free version, but on the settings you can see the balance, the pitch, the volume, and so forth. You can do a screen lock, 24-hour time. I mean, you can do so many things with this application. Yeah, and that's basically it. Let me just go ahead and dismiss this real quick by swiping down. But that's it. That's basically in a nutshell what the app is all about. White Noise. So again, this just has been a small review on this application. If you like my videos, I will do more tutorials on more applications as well. And guys, don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what you think about this app. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.